again in the kitchen of the JPD, a Sea Shepherd vessel. I am about to make you the most incredibly delicious summer soup, and the base of it is avocados. Now, a lot of people struggle getting vegetables into their diet and healthy food. So making a quick soup that's a raw soup that you don't need to cook, that takes 2 minutes to make, is an excellent way to get some of these veggies into your diet without having to, chew them all. But one thing you want to be certain to do is mix the saliva in your mouth with your soup before you swallow it. And the reason that you do that is you want to mix up the amylase, which is a digestive enzyme in your mouth before you swallow it. It's going to help with your digestion, and it's going to break down that food so you can really get those nutrients in the body. Alright, first thing we got is avocado, of course. So I love the Haas avocado coming from Mexico. It's really good for your body. It's got a lot of healthy fats, vitamin E. We're going to add some color. So the rainbow is really important in your diet. Try to get a variety of colors. Some sun-dried tomatoes, some yellow pepper for beta carotene, as well as carrots. And this is a great way too to get rid of some leftovers that are in your fridge and you just need to blend up. Fresh basil. Super delicious. Okay, so that's the base of it. Now we're going to kind of flavor it. So we're going to flavor it with a bit of onion, some fresh onion, some apple for sweetness. We're going to add lemon. Now what's really amazing about lemon is you can actually throw in the entire lemon peel. It has so many phytonutrients in the peel and the pith itself. And for our salt component, we're going to use miso. This is actually a 2-year fermented miso. Miso is loaded with probiotics and it's really good for the gut. So that is our salt element. We don't need to add salt. We're going to add ground flax, which I just ground right before. So this has omega-3 fatty acids in it as well. And some Dijon mustard. Okay, and a little bit of cumin powder. Just a little, maybe a little more. Okay, and now I'm going to blend it with some water. Of course, we're going to taste it. Very important. I've never made this recipe before, so. All right, let's do it. Let's taste this. Wow, it's really good. It's super fresh, and it has that really fatty sort of flavor, so it's going to give us that really satisfying mouthfeel. It's pretty subtle. Okay, let's add a little bit more lemon. Just gonna just that whole thing in there. Let's add a little bit more mustard and a little bit more miso. Maybe half that. Okay, perfect. Okay, I bet that's delicious. Let's try. Interesting. Okay, now it needs more apple. The lemon peel is a little bitter, so if you add a bit of sweetness, it will kill the bitterness. Okay, perfect. One more time. You are so patient. All right. Wow, amazing. Yeah, that apple just smoothed it right out. So, let's put it in our bowl. And I like to get things fancy. You can just eat it straight out of here. That's how the pirates will do it. But we're going to make it nice and fancy. Oh, and no way are you going to eat this whole bowl, because that is a huge amount of soup. Just for picture's sake. So, what we're going to add to this, for a little bit of crunch, we're going to add some arugula. We're going to add a few zucchini spirals. If this one will come apart. Ah! Alright, let's get that in there. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of, this is a beet pesto that I made, so it's got basil in it as well, just because I like color. Broccoli sprouts, and a little bit of spirulina because, as you know, I like to eat seaweed every single day. That's it. This is our soup. Yes. Now I have to split it into two. It's so delicious.